Hello viewers, and for you today I have a single coin from my collection. This is a Cabinda 2017 50 million Reais coin. Cabinda is an exclave of the African country of Angola and is separated by the Democratic Republic of Congo's territory. Cabinda is also a breakaway region from Angola that mints its own coins. This coin is worth approximately $7 and is in uncirculated proof condition. The coin is 22 millimeters in diameter and weighs 1.8 grams. The coin is made from 100% aluminum. This is the reverse. It depicts an eland. Eland are the largest antelope species in the world, and 50 million reais and the year 2017. This is the obverse. It depicts the coat of arms and the words Banco de Cabinda and Liberdade, which is Portuguese for liberty. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.